Hi there guys, and welcome. I know I'm like looking over here. Hold on, let me see if I can move this. Okay, there we go. So today oh, that's what I found. It's just we're just gonna put that on silent and then we'll get back to this. Okay, now that is on silent now. So today we're going to be looking at makeup brushes and seeing what exactly we need to be looking for. So yeah, I moved the recording software over here again. So I'm gonna put down my microphone now because my boom mic is dead. It broke. So that's fun. I'm gonna have to buy another one. So I'm gonna gently place you guys down here and hopefully you guys can still kind of sort of understand me. Chill. Please don't fall. Okay, so I'm going to switch this over to double screen, right? I need to make me small though. Look at that. Okay, and I can move myself. Awesome. So we've got our little web browser here. Yes, I know. I'm on a PC. So we're going to look up types of makeup brushes. And we're just going to go into the images and we're going to see what they're used for. Okay. There's a lot. So I do have some. I'll move my pens. I have this. I have like an assortment that's a highlighter. Don't need that. So I have like an assortment of brushes here. And then I also have this. I keep it in the container. Sorry, slow focusing. So this is Pusheen. I don't know if you guys know about Pusheen, but it's super adorable. I got it for Christmas. And it's actually a makeup brush set. Supposed to be 5 pieces. I don't know where the other piece is at. Sad face. But if you look, you'll see that it has a focus. It has Pusheen on it, which is really adorable. Really wish I knew where the other one was. Aha, there it is. It's right here. So I have all of these and not necessarily sure where exactly I should be using this one at, or I should use this one at. This one I do believe is like a blush thing, but we're gonna find that out today. So that's why we've done look this up. So this is the first step of learning about makeup, is knowing what brushes you should be using for which part of your face. So we're gonna learn together, but there seems to be a lot. What is this? Wait, hold on. Let's zoom in here. We need the zoom. Okay, let's see here. So this one is Eyebrow Lash Brush. Is that supposed to be eyebrow, not eyebrow? But anyways, it is the bristles and this. Okay, so I've been using this wrong. Yes, I've been using this really, really wrong. So, well, half wrong. I should say half wrong. So this side, I've been using on my brow to like kind of like shape it and get it kind of neat. But this right here, which you can actually totally see. I do this as well. So focus. It's not gonna focus, is it? But anyways, you can see like the dark part of this where it's not brown. I've been using it for my eyelashes for when I put on mascara because I thought, oh hey, this is totally meant to like help spread your eyelashes. Apparently I was wrong. That's good to know. Okay, okay. There's already 2 types of contour brushes here. Hold on. I don't have any of... Wait, no. Wait, do I not have any of those? It's this, but this is definitely not angled at all. In fact, I think this one matches with the large eyeshadow brush, right? Yeah. I think that's about right. Okay, that's good because I've been using this one for here, so that's good to know. Large fan brush, so I do have that. I have it right here. But it doesn't say what it's for. It just says large fan brush. Boom, I gotcha right here. Go me. So foundation brush, large concealer, so I'm going to assume that these are like fluffy and round. Hold on. Let's find a different one where they're like standing up or something like that. What is this one? Okay, that helps me a little bit. Okay, so powder brush is this one. Okay. Cool. I know this is not like a lot of brushes, but I have that one. It's like this powder brush, so I know there's like powder foundation, and I guess like blush is a powder too. Okay, the second one, multi-function brush, definitely do not. Flame function brush. Okay, I think these are like a little too specific. Okay, hold on. We're just, okay. Foundation. Is this one? Foundation is this one. Okay, stippling. What does stippling mean? Hold on. So this is a... Okay, so they're like slightly different, right? They're slightly different. So one is more like... Oh, is that the angular contour brush? We're learning something new. Oh yeah, if I look, it's this one down here. Yeah, they're slightly similar. Oh, okay. So this one is a foundation brush. Okay, cool. And this is a contour brush. Sweet. Bronzer. Would it be this?
The answer is yes. It is a bronzer brush, but also a powder brush as well. Yay.
Okay, so crease! Crease! Oh, we have a crease brush. I think it's gotta be this one. Right? Comparatively to that one right there, it's gotta be the one with the gold. I do believe so. Right? Yeah, because it's short, it's stout, nothing wrong. Wait, or is it this one? It might be that one. It's just really pink because I've used it. Because so it's nubbly. It's nubbly. And I guess that makes sense if you're like going in. Okay. Okay. So we got that down. A blending brush is what the tiny little poofy ones are for. And I apparently have got a lot of those. Yes. Okay, so I got quite a few of those. Why do I have so many blending brushes? Okay, okay. Wait, these are... Wait, what? You can use those for lips? Is that what these are for? Is for lips? What? What? These are lip brushes? Whoa. Sorry, my mind's kind of blown right now that you could use, like, thistly things for your mouth. Okay, how about we check out like a couple more and who we investigate. Yeah, so these tiny ones are for your lips. So that's been pretty consistent between like 2 or 3 pictures now. I didn't know that. That's so weird. Like, do they have makeup palettes where they have like liquid lips in them and you like dip this in there and go like, okay, I see you. So I guess this is a confirmed. Whoa, what are those? I don't have anything that looks like that, but those are kind of cute. Ooh, ooh, look at this. Okay. No, why do you gotta be so fuzzy? I can't do anything when you're fuzzy like that. But it kind of looks like number 2's foundation, which still looks like this. And I think that's a confirm that this is a foundation brush. Find some more. Extra large fluff sander, large eyeshadow brush, medium size shading, angular eye blending brush. Oh my goodness. Ooh, cute, but not necessarily what I need. Okay, wait, did I already see these? I think I already saw these. Number 3 is a blush brush. Oh hey, this one just got confirmed because this was also in the other picture as a blush brush. So this is blush slash contour bronzer brush. This is just getting confirmed again as a powder foundation brush. Okay, so these are down. So we only have like 50 million more to go. Really concerned about these guys. So this one's like big and poofy. Also, like number 2. So is this a powder brush? Do I have more than one? Wait, so I could use one as like foundation and the other one for blush. Oh, okay, I see you. I'm gonna say that was confirmed. So I think all of these are eyeshadow brushes, right? Like the fluffy ones. So these are all eyeshadow brushes. Because I've seen it on the other ones too, where it's like, oh, these are your eyeshadow brushes. So concealer brush is number 9. Oh, so it would be these. So these would be a concealer brush, right? I guess that makes sense because I've seen people like do this for like concealer and put it down. Oh, that makes way more sense. Okay. I've been using these as crease brushes this entire time. Concealer brushes. Confirmed. Number 8. So number 8 is totally this one right here. And it looks rather fluffy like these. And I have some angular brushes that do go with this on the right. Number 10. See? So I'm thinking that these are basically for your crease because this is for your eyeshadow and this is also a shadow brush, but it's angled, so that makes it so much easier to get it. Oh, things are just coming together now and I'm just flabbergasted. Full face brush. So this and this. Oh, I'm so confused. So basically what I'm oh, hello. Wait, what is this? What is this? Synthetic hair, goat hair, wool fiber, goat hair. What You can use hair from animals for brushes. What? I'm so confused. All types of makeup brushes. Oh, let's zoom in on this, guys. Yeah, we're zooming in. Shutterstock. Mascara, don't have one of those. Slope eyeliner. This one? Slope eyeliner. Oh, so if you get like a dark shade and you put it underneath it. Oh, okay. Okay. Lip brush. Fine eyeliner. Do not have that. Small concealer brush. So tiny stipples that looks like... that looks like this. My phone is vibrating. I'm sorry. Not today, Felicia. To use. Okay, so are you actually trying to tell me that this is indeed something you could use for your mascara as well as your eyebrows? What I'm getting out of every single thing that we keep looking at is that brushes are multi-purpose. They have tons and tons of uses and apparently don't need to be used for one specific purpose. Certain brushes are good for certain things and doesn't necessarily mean that you can only use them for that. It just means that they're betterly equipped for those certain things. So this was 21 minutes of me finding out that, hey, just because it says that it is for this doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be used for that. And with that, I think that requires a sip of tea. So just give me one moment to get a sip of tea. Okay, I'm back and here's my sip of tea saying hello. Refreshing. But yeah, guys, so basically, with makeup brushes, essentially they have more than just one use, and I'm happy that I know that, because maybe I haven't been doing it all wrong this entire time. But sure, I now officially know, wow, that sounded really loud, I now know that these really are not for eyeshadow, they're for your lips, so I probably won't use them anymore, because I have like 0 lip thingies that require brushes. But anyways, I hope you guys learned something along with me today. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video here, and I guess I'll see you guys. Wait, no. Hold on, I need to come up with like an outro, I guess. How about we do what I did last time? I hope you guys have a great morning, evening, afternoon, and night wherever you are in the world, and I will see you and talk with you in the next video. Bye! Oh my god, I can't believe I just spent 23 minutes looking at makeup brushes.